Picture a tiny apartment kitchen at 7 p.m., one pan hissing, smoke curling toward the alarm, and your dinner suddenly becoming a ventilation emergency. Portable range hoods look simple, but the wrong one barely helps. Today, we're ranking the 7 best options that make cooking cleaner, calmer, and way less smoky. All the links are in the description, so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Breety. That matte black finish is the first thing that makes the Breety stand out, because it does not look like a random gadget you dragged onto the counter. It has that clean, modern appliance look, which matters if your kitchen is already small and every object is visible. The real appeal is how simple it is. You set it near the pan, plug it in, choose one of the 3 speeds, and let it pull smoke, steam, and greasy air through its 5-layer filtration setup. The mix of aluminum mesh, polymer filtration, and activated carbon gives it a more serious feel than basic little fans. This is the one I'd recommend for apartment cooks, recreational vehicle owners, or anyone doing indoor barbecue who wants something stylish enough to leave out. The small critique? It is compact, so placement matters. If you cook with wide pans or aggressive frying, you need to keep it close. But for everyday meals, it makes the room feel far less chaotic. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Zomagas. For someone who has almost no spare counter space, the Zomagas makes a lot of sense. It is small, easy to move, and simple to store, which is exactly what you want in a dorm, studio, or recreational vehicle where appliances start fighting each other for territory. What I like here is the very straightforward control setup. The soft touch button lets you move between low, high, and turbo without turning cooking into a science project. The filtration system uses aluminum alloy, carbon, and polymer filters, so it is built to catch grease, smoke, and water vapor instead of just blowing warm kitchen air around. This makes the most sense for hot pot nights, indoor barbecue, and basic stovetop cooking where smoke is annoying but not extreme. The standout detail is the quiet operation. Even on turbo, it stays under 55 decibels, which means people can still talk around the table. The trade-off is that it is not the most premium-looking option here, but it is practical, compact, and refreshingly unfussy. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Orvox. Here is where things get more adjustable, and that matters more than people expect. The Orvox lets you change both height and angle, so instead of hoping the smoke drifts into the fan, you can aim the hood closer to where the smoke actually starts. That is a big deal for small kitchens because portable ventilation is all about positioning. Use a shallow frying pan, then lower it. Switch to a deeper pot, then lift and angle it. That flexibility makes it feel less like a countertop accessory and more like a tool you actually adapt to the meal. This is not the one for everyone, but it is excellent for cooks who move between frying, simmering, indoor barbecue, and small space meal prep. The optional activated carbon filter is useful for light odor support, but removing it can improve airflow when suction matters more. That little choice gives you control. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Airtherial. There is something reassuring about the Airtherial because it feels designed for real mealtime problems, not just product photos. Smoke comes in, filtered air exits from the rear, and the expanded oil collection box helps keep greasy buildup from becoming your next cleaning nightmare. The 3-layer filter uses polyvinyl chloride, aluminum, and carbon, so it is trying to handle particles, oil fumes, and odors in one compact setup. I also like the max speed function because it runs hard for 5 minutes, then returns to the previous setting. That is perfect when the pan suddenly gets smoky and you need a quick rescue. This is the one I'd point toward people who cook in tight spaces but still care about conversation because it operates below 60 decibels. It is best for small apartments, dorm rooms, recreational vehicles, hot pot, and indoor barbecue. The limitation is that it only gives low and medium for normal speed choices, with max acting more like a timed boost. Still, for calm, controlled cooking, it is very easy to live with. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Air hood. Some products feel like they started as a real complaint, and air hood gives me that impression. It is made for people who want portable ventilation, but also hate cleaning flimsy filters that look ruined after 2 meals. The 3-ply stainless steel oil filter is dishwasher safe, which is a huge quality of life upgrade. Add activated charcoal filters rated for up to 500 hours of odor absorption, and suddenly this becomes one of the more polished choices for repeated use, not just occasional hot pot night. This is the option I'd recommend for people who cook often in apartments, dorms, recreational vehicles, or induction range setups without built-in ventilation. The 3-speed system ranges from 3,100 to 5,000 revolutions per minute, so you can scale the airflow depending on the meal. It is also easy to wipe down and keep looking clean. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Deer-dried. The clever thing about deer-dried is that it combines adjustability with a more serious filter setup, which is exactly where portable range hoods can either shine or disappoint. Its triple filter system includes polymer filtration, aluminum filtration, and an oil collector, and all the filters are detachable and washable. That matters after a greasy cooking session. Instead of feeling like you bought another disposable maintenance problem, you can actually clean the parts and reuse them. The 3 fan speeds run from 2,600 to 4,600 revolutions per minute, giving you enough range for everyday meals, steaming, and stronger pan smoke. This is a strong pick for people who want control without making the setup complicated. You get up to 3.9 inches of height adjustment, plus an angle range from 30 to 120 degrees. That helps aim the suction across different cookware. It stays below 60 decibels too, so it does not dominate the room. The only drawback is that it looks more practical than premium, but performance-wise, it earns its spot. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Grow Towel. This pick deserves a spot in this video because it nails the thing portable range hoods need most: easy placement. The extendable arm gives you 3.9 inches of height adjustment, and the head angles from 30 to 120 degrees, so you can chase smoke instead of waiting for it to behave. That sounds simple, but during real cooking, it is the difference between mild help and actual relief. Frying, steaming, boiling, hot pot, balcony barbecue, camping meals, tiny kitchens, this thing adapts quickly. The dual filter system traps grease, while the oil collection cup makes cleanup less irritating. Even better, it avoids replacement filters, which saves money and mental clutter over time. This is the one I'd recommend for most people who want the easiest daily experience. The 3-speed suction ranges from 1,300 to 1,800 revolutions per minute, so it is not the most aggressive by numbers. But it is quiet, dropping as low as 48 decibels, and the adjustable design makes the airflow more useful. For small spaces, that balance is what makes it a top pick. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best portable range hoods you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.